Hello YouTube family and welcome back to my channel for another unboxing, review and test. To-go smoothie maker from Silvercrest makes fresh fruit smoothies. Cross blade made from high quality stainless steel for smoothies on the go. BPA free, 300 ml capacity, 67 watts with a 3-year warranty. In the past I have made a video for the oldest model, now you can see how it performs the newest model. The old unit made from plastic. We have the lid with a sealing ring inside, silicone rubber. The cable, type A to type C with a length 50 cm because it is rechargeable. Inside it has a lithium-ion battery 3.7 volt 2000 mAh. Press 2 times, OK. The blending jug. Maximum, it says here. For storage. I like it. Make your smoothies and then with a lid you can have it with you at your office, work, wherever you go. The stainless steel blades. Is flashing, we can see. When the blender jack is connected, it's flashing for a few seconds. And when release it, again it's flashing red. Nice. At the bottom we have a silicone patch. It will stay very secure at any surface. This silver ring. I like the design. It is small, portable, definitely it can fit anywhere. And here we have the port. Type-C port. So I will fully charge it for the first time. You need a 5 volt 2 amp power adapter. Red LED light is charging. Inside we have a sealing ring. It will seal very well the jug. So let's wait until it will fully charge. So here it is, we have a white light. Disconnect. If I will press the button, red light is not working. I need to install the jug. White light. Press once, it doesn't work. Twice, and now it's working. Once no, twice. Let's try with water. Maximum. There it is. And now with fruit. Orange, small pieces, banana, pear, apple, and milk. Ready to use? Okay. I hope that is not too much. So we can see it doesn't have the power at this moment. Let's shake it and start at this position. Nice. Not enough power maybe. Too much. Shake it a little bit. To-Go Smoothie Maker is designed for those who value quick, hassle-free preparation of smoothies, shakes and other beverages. Perfect for busy mornings, post-workout nutrition or on-the-go snacking. This compact and efficient blender is a must-have for any health-conscious individual. So maximum it is here. I think I am at maximum. Mixing is perfect, preserving the flavor of the fruit. And of course you can use the lid for storage. Or just drink it. I like it. Let's clean that. Clean it under the water. Don't forget to seal the Type-C port. And here I have some small ice cubes. It helps if you shake it. Nice, I like the results. Not 100%, but you can break in some ice. Now let's test it with some peanuts. Maximum it is here. Stop! It needs my help. Maybe it is too much for this machine. Shake it a little bit. Yep, it doesn't have the power for so much quantity. Whether you are rushing out the door or enjoying a relaxing day at home, this appliance ensures you are always fueled and refreshed. Let's try with less. Half. And that's the Silvercrest To Go Smoothie Maker. Compact, convenient and perfect for quick, healthy drinks on the go. This smoothie maker is a great addition to any kitchen. Whether you are making smoothies, shakes or even sauces, it delivers power and simplicity in one handy device. Now I like the results. If this review helped you, don't forget to like the video and subscribe for more honest reviews, kitchen gadget tips and healthy recipe ideas. Thanks for watching, and as always, stay healthy, stay creative, and I'll see you in the next video.